Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching. This is my weekly work in progress video, which includes all my stuff I have finished throughout the entire week. So first, again, I want to thank you for watching. I have finally hit a milestone. I have 500 subscribers now. So it begs the question, do I get to get a communities tab? I thought that would come when I hit the 500 point, so let me know in the comments what I need to do to get that community tab. I appreciate it, as I always appreciate you for still watching. Okay, so let's cover some of the projects I have finished. This is my weekly tutorial, crochet tutorial. I just did a simple one on this spiral necklace. There we go. I hope you get a chance to check out that video. I think this also, you couldn't just, I think this has the opportunity to be, you know, with the holidays coming up, you could probably make this longer and make it into like garland or use it for decorations. So that is that. If you've been following me, you know I participated this month in Armchair Chef's Mystery Yarn Challenge. This is the project that is finished. It is a tree skirt. This is my pattern, and I had left a question in that video if you would like. I don't have a video tutorial, I just have a written pattern. And I had asked you guys if you wanted a video tutorial, and I got a few that said yes. So this is, I'm probably going to make another tree skirt. That's likely now going to be my next tutorial. And part of that project, I had some yarn left, so I had made this, I guess it's called a stepping scarf. The instructions on how to make this, it was on the label of one of the yarns. I just did a short video on this, and there is a link in that short video of where to find the pattern to make the scarf. Actually, it's a shawl. I just didn't, you add more rows. It's supposed to be a shawl. I just did a scarf. Oh yeah. I made another one. This is another pumpkin doll. This is, I bought some, it's like wool stock yarn at one of my local yarn shops. And oh, what do you got? No, okay, something was on his chin. I bought yarn at a local yarn shop. It's wool stock, so this is 100% wool, so some pretty nice yarn went into making this doll. So I guess it could be a she, will be treasured, especially around how I think it turned out really cute. If you had seen the one I had sent that I made earlier, I had sent that off to my granddaughter. They should have received that care package today, hopefully. And that is it for all my works, my finished projects. Now it's time to look at my work in progress stuff. I was kind of hoping to get this one done this week. It is the start of that hat I did for last week's tutorial, which was the single, I think I call it the single ribbed hat. It is almost done. It's not quite finished. I had started this in I can't talk. I had started this as a video tutorial. So I'm hoping to get this done. That is the Christmas shawl I'm still working on. I'm getting this done during fellowship time at my church while my grandkids are in Sunday school in between services. All right. Oh, I hope you can see this. Still working on this big heavy V-neck, V-stitch shawl. Oh, not shawl, it's a blanket. I just recently switched to a different color. Should have about 4 sets of colors, and then I might have 1 or 2 rows, because I'm using 3 together, and then I think even if this last one I ran out of one color before the other 2 ran out, so I probably might have 1 or 2 rows of straggling colors, but it's okay, I don't mind. This is going to be soft and it's kind of heavy, but this is if I ever sit down and put my mind to it, I can probably get this one done pretty quick because it's got this big hook. I do have a new project. Oh no, it's not new. I think I did have this last week. Another basket. This will be maybe my, I don't know, 3rd. Okay, it'll be my 3rd basket using this particular pattern that I came up with. But I have a couple other baskets too. I have one project left, and you probably know by now what project that is. Yep, it is my scrap yarn blanket. Weather is starting to get a little cooler now, so I can probably start working more on this project. And I think I have another project. I don't have it yet, but I can give you an idea what it's going to be. I am on a Facebook group called Pinterest. It's a Pinterest challenge. It's called Sustainable Pinterest Challenge. And I think we were supposed to upcycle something. So my plan is to make another basket, kind of like this one. So I'm cutting the strips for plastic. This is made with plastic bags. So I think I have 2. Is that more than 2? I think I have at least 2 baskets made with your plastic grocery bags. So that kind of saves them from the landfill and puts them in the basket. So now my plan, which I probably need to start that pretty soon, because I gotta have at least that post out by the first Tuesday of the month, which is coming up pretty quick. Worst case scenario, if I don't get that project finished, we'll phone it in with one I already had done, one of the baskets I have done ready. So that's all I have. I thank you again for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, or any of my yarn tutorials, or any other yarn related stuff. Or hey, if you like cats, I have a few cat videos on here too, and I think I have like 2 food related videos, but I know you guys like cats, so I'll probably, if you want to see more of my cats, please let me know in the comments. So again, that is all I have. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.